So there is a shootout at, where are we? We are at Badlands, not Badlands, Indiana, Badlands, Vermont. Chris Bradley's up first.
Stones that are marked with green ribbon. Same ribbon similar to what's on this tree here. Down the hill, lap 1, you enter there. Up the right side, there's actually green ribbon. It's very hard to see because now it's dark out, but there's 2 trees with green ribbon on them all the way to the right. Up, around, back down. Lap 2, your choice which side you go through. Go up between these middle ones. Right here, they're wrapped in rainbow, but you really can't see it. So your first lap, this next one you skip and go to this one. So it's going to be 3 laps total. Up over that, back around. Lap 3 is this. You finish back down the same cone you start at, so there's no confusion where the finish is.
Start, finish, same spot.
Start, finish, same spot.
Okay.
And lap 3, I mean, there's really no other option.
So lap 3, we're going up the big hill?
Lap 3, we're going up the big hill.
All right.
for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. The shootout was nuts. Shout out to Chris Bradley for fully sending it. He's A-OK. And we are gonna wheel Badlands tomorrow, so that'll be the next video out. We'll catch you on the next one.